beautiful stream, man. Let's go. Why are you? There you go. There you go. Ay. Stream preview, man. Offline. Come on. Sheesh. Come on. I just want to see online here, man. Yeah. We are live on YouTube. Just waiting for the kick. Yeah. We are live on YouTube. Yeah. What's not happening? What's not happening? What's not happening, man? Yeah, welcome. Welcome to this beautiful live session. Welcome to this live beautiful session, man of mine. Welcome to another episode of Beautiful Chats World. Yeah, it's Monday open, man. I'm enjoying myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm in it. Morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you are, man. Morning, afternoon, evening. Just checking if we are well streamed on Kick. YouTube is on. YouTube is on, man. I'm having a blast. Yeah. Bro, I'm good, man. I'm good. How was your weekend? How was your weekend, man? We're waiting for the one and only New York session to open, and we are going to have very beautiful trades. You know how we trade it. We get a setup, we take it together, and we follow up every day, every time. This is what I'm telling you about. Follow even from you are in Kick, okay? Subscribe even if you are in Facebook. Oh, sorry, if you are on YouTube. I'm not on Facebook, sorry. Alright? And let's have fun, man. Let's have fun, man. Yeah. We are live right now in every platform. We are live right now. Okay? Welcome to another episode of Chats World. Beautiful things. Follow if you're in Kick. Subscribe if you're in Facebook, man. Why am I mentioning Facebook? What's not happening? If you are on YouTube, alright. Let's have a beautiful stream, man. Yes, sir. Let's open the chat in it. That's how my brothers from London, from London would say. In it. Yeah. I don't know why. Are we okay now? I don't know why. My Kick is slow and lagging. Meanwhile, my Facebook, what is not happening with this Facebook thing? Who has bewitched me with Facebook? I'm not coming to Facebook, my guys. Yeah. Let's enjoy the live stream, man. Let's enjoy the live stream, man. Yeah, I'm getting better and better. Yeah, this is normal, man. Don't worry about that. We are in the chats. That's the most beautiful things. Yeah. A lot is happening globally. But at the end of the day, we have to make money, man. But everyone is panicking. Traders are seeing opportunities, man. This is the agri side of trading, man. When everyone is on a panic mode, when everyone is worried about where the globe is going, we are capitalizing on it. Yeah. Let's look at the markets. Remember, we analyzed yesterday on live stream also. We analyzed the markets. Let's look at them. Okay, this is a gold spot. Man. We had a long anticipated. Remember, I said we aren't going against the trend. We are going with the trend. All right, we are going with the trend. We are going with the trend, not against the trend, my guys. Follow, subscribe. The market decided to move into the previous levels. So right now what we are waiting for is a movement from in time. And when the New York session opens, the market are going to be volatile, man. Okay, the markets are going to be volatile. But all we are looking at is a movement from this area. This has become the current support. So the market didn't break. The market came back to retrace. Okay, so don't fail me, Chrome. Chrome, my guy. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back. So we are waiting for movement from here. Okay, this was the previous support, or most people it's the previous high. The market came back to retest and get more traders, and it can rally up. I said I don't go against the market. No matter how golden I see a short setup, I can't take, man. I can't take it. So it's either I buy here. Let me show you. It's either I buy here. It's either. It's either I buy here or miss the whole setup if it's going to give me a short. All right, so this is on gold. Let's see BTC. Remember BTC, we are long, so we had a setup, but it seems the market is coming back. Yes, so it's slowly coming back. The market is slowly coming back, man. Yeah. So you have oil. I said I have to wait, man. For now, I have to wait on oil. USD, just a matter of observing. But as you can see, it's coming back to these levels I told you about. The market created all-time highs again. USD is unstoppable, my guy. USD is unstoppable. Anyone who invested in USD right now is making money. The individual is balling, man. Look at this. Just creating highs and moving up, man. USD has become unstoppable, but the only issue is it's not giving us good entries, man. It's not respecting our trading strategy, so we have to leave it, man. Mad. This is GBPUSD. 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 USD, man. Look at it. Came back to our levels. So it's back to our levels. Yeah? Traders are feeling great today, man. But don't be in a rush to get in the setups, because we don't know what New York session is going to bring. So yeah, let's wait for that setup. This is our best setup so far. I know it has been reddish because the market had to come back and retrace these levels. Had to come and retrace our support. As I said yesterday, the market is looking blue. Not happening, man. I told you. I know it has to come back and retrace, alright? Come back and retrace, man. So remember, the market does not run. It walks. When it decides to run, my brother, people lose money. Always know that. So don't come here thinking you are going to run all the time. So most of the time you have to walk with the market. Okay? Guys lose money when the market decides to run, man. That was what you hear people calling bull run. Okay, bear run. My brother, my sister, my guys, it's my chat world members. People lose money when the market is in a hurry. The market is never in a hurry. That's what I'm saying. It came back to the trace. So we also have this one, eurusd. Another golden opportunity, man. Another good setup we should take. Yeah. Remember I said we are hoping to take a good long. If the market gives us a good confirmation, we are going to take this setup. Yeah. I'm here to make noise for the next 4 hours. Beautiful things or more. I want to make sure that we interact, man. I want to make sure we interact. Yeah. So get used to my voice, man. Let's trade together. Let's make money together, man. For now, we are waiting for the market to open. Yeah, not much. We don't have much we are looking at. We don't have much we are looking at. Apart from waiting for opportunities, man. Alright? It's so chat world in the market. Chat world in the market. Just observing. Yeah. I was okay. The flu is trying to come back, man. I don't care. but this house is too cold, man. The house is too cold. The house is too cold, man. What? This is not happening. Okay. Just waiting for the markets. Just waiting for the market. Yeah. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush, man. Don't be in a rush, man. Okay? Don't be in a rush. Just relax. Just relax and wait for the markets. Yeah. It's so. Follow, man. Follow, guys, so that we can enjoy these live streams, man. Yeah. It's let's have a blast when it comes to the markets, man. We are never in a hurry. We are never in a hurry, man. What am I saying? Let's enjoy the markets, man. Don't be in a rush, man. Relax and wait. Relax and wait. When a setup presents itself, I will be the first one to inform you and tell you, let's take the setup together. Let's take the setup together, man. When you come across this stream, just follow, man. Follow, it don't hurt. From YouTube, just subscribe, man. It don't hurt. Yeah. So I'm enjoying, man. I'm enjoying, man. I won't lie. I'm enjoying, man. I'm enjoying, man. I'm enjoying as I'm studying how to stream this stuff, man. At the end of the day, remember, the most important thing is showing up no matter what. Showing up daily. Showing up on a daily basis, man. No matter what. So we are going to make good money together, man. I won't lie to you. We are going to make good money together. So I want to keep you informed. I want to keep you entertained at the same time. I want to keep you on the game of money, man. So be sure to make money with me. So Yeah. Yeah, let's go, my guy. Let's go, my guy. Let's go. This is all about live trading, live session. Live trading, live session, man. Live trading, live session, man. These are noisy episode, man. For the past 1 hour, we'll be just making noises, man, to entertain ourselves. Then after the market open, we can get down to serious business. We can get down to serious business. Yeah. Welcome all to Chat's World. Welcome all to Chat's World, man. This is the home of forex trading. Yeesh. I'm feeling good online. I'm feeling good about myself. I'm feeling good about this stream. As you can see, it's a EURUSD setup. EURUSD setup. We're waiting for a long. Gold, we are waiting for a long. BTC, we are waiting for a long. Oil, we are waiting for nothing. With that, we are waiting for nothing. GBPUSD. GBP, Great Britain pounds. We are waiting for a long also, man. Yeah, let's trade together, man. I'm enjoying every moment, man. I won't lie. I'm enjoying every moment of this stream. I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, Chat's all to the world, man. Chat's all effects in it. Chat's world effects in it. Best trader in town. Best trader in town, man. Best trader in town. What are you talking about, my guy? What are you talking about? Best trader in town, man. Yeah, we're making money. Subscribe, like, share, and follow, man. Yeah, from whatever platform you're watching us, let's have a blast, man. And when the market opens, never be in a rush. I learned this the hard way because I used to trade during market opens, and I realized you should keep calm and wait for the market to show you its hand. Okay? Always be careful when trading. Market is something you should be very careful. This is not a greedy area. Okay? As you can see, the market is kind of slow right now. That does not mean people are not on charts. People are actually on charts. From the Asian session, London session, people have been on charts. People are just observing. Real traders are very easy. They are just relaxing. Okay? They understand the dynamic of the market, man. It's not an action thing. It's a waiting game. This is not where you are rewarded because of what you do, how many times you execute, or how much effort you have put. No. This is where you are rewarded because of waiting and taking the right action. Always know that. When it comes to trading, this is where you are rewarded for taking the right action. Okay? So not how many times you take the action, but how many times you are right. So slow executions. You can take a single setup for a whole week and make more money than someone who took 30 setups in a week. Okay, it's a game of risk to reward. All right, you risk multiple times, you risk multiple losses. Okay. It's hard work is not rewarded in trading. All that stuff they told you about hard work pays, not here, not in execution. Okay, the market doesn't care about how hard you are working. No, doesn't care. The market doesn't care how hard you have been working. Okay, always know. Know that, understand that, keep that in your mind, and it will help you when it comes to execution of the setups. All right. So as you can see, the market is calm. I'm saying the market is very, very calm. All right. Be calm too. Relax. I think this is why they encourage meditation. If your brain can't allow you to be calm, just find something else to do, not take trades. Okay? Don't come here for excitement, man. If trading is exciting you, you're doing something wrong. Alright? You should try to control yourself. If your mind can't relax and wait for setups, find something else to do. Okay? If you feel like taking that setup, just stand, walk, get fresh air, come back, don't take it. For example, the market is in my entry levels. The market is in my entry levels. That's an example. Look at this. But I haven't taken that setup yet. Okay? Why? Because the fact that it's at my entry level doesn't guarantee entry. I have to wait for confirmation. Now, if my mind keep on rushing me to execute this setup, I will end up taking a setup that is not fully respecting my trading strategy and rules. So I'll have to be calm and observe. I rather miss this setup than take it before it's fully developed. Okay, before it has given me full confirmations. The confirmations are there, but first of all I have to wait for full confirmations and I have to wait for almost an hour and something. That's why I'm always on chats early. An hour and something before the New York session, because I understand today is on a Monday, man. It's on a Monday, okay? I know pressures that are going to come in the market are very anticipated. There might be high, there might be no pressure at all, but I have to wait, okay? It's not a guarantee, but I have to wait. Wait, my guys. Wait. Don't just take trades, man. And you start regretting. Most people take trades that they regret. Most people take setups that they regret every time. So I either take a setup, even if I lose, I ain't regretting. Okay? You might take a setup, not regret, but it's not following your criteria, man. But that game won't last you for so long in the market. Always know that. That game won't last you for so long in the market. Market, it's like boxing. Strategy. Always keep your strategy in mind. No matter how aggressive your opponent is, keep the strategy. If you lose your strategy, that's the end of you. Okay, no matter how powerful you are, man. No matter how fast you are, okay? No matter how defensive you are, if you lose the whole strategy, you're done. Basics are what are included in a strategy. The entries, the analysis, everything. It's a full package of basic things. Okay, don't overdo it by complicating things. Make it as simple as possible, but follow the strategy, my guy. There is a reason as to why you came up with that strategy. Maybe because of backtesting, maybe because of what you saw in the market activities on daily basis. Yeah, let's trade together, man. Let's trade together, make money. If you ain't kick follow, if you ain't YouTube, subscribe, man. I told you we are going to do mega and big things, man. I'm enjoying this, having a blast, having the best open market. It's every day, every time. It's Jot's world to the world. It's we're going to trade forex together, man. My guys, let's enjoy, man. Just waiting for the session to open. We have almost an hour and something, or 2 hours. But what else do you have to do? This is where the part I will be interacting with the charts, man. Questions. Any question is be very okay to answer. So any query, I'll be very happy to answer, man. And if you charts all to the world. I'll be streaming on YouTube and Kick. This later maybe we will start streaming on Twitch, but for now, let's go with these two. I can't stream on TikTok. TikTok has so much requirement to stream. It's a thousand. What do you call them? Followers. That's what is required on TikTok. As you can see, gold is up 0.51% as of market open. This is from asiasession down to London session. So the market has not been that good to gold, but I have explained why. It's because the market has got to come and retest. Okay, I thought it was going to break the previous resistance, but it has come back to the previous support. So don't worry. Get ready for the market to open, and if you get a good entry, take the setup. Okay. I say it's a game of waiting. But at the same time, you have to get aggressive when your setup is okay. When your setup is presented by the market, now it's a time to be aggressive and take those setups, man. I think fear is the greatest thing you have to lose when it comes to trade. Fear of everything, man. And I'm kind of sympathetic to those people joining trading, because I know the individual that these markets will turn you into is an individual you will never think you are going to become. Okay, it will show you the worst part of yourself. This is the only place where you break down, try to rebuild yourself, and the market breaks you again. Okay, the forex market shows you there is nothing like greener pastures on the other side, or whatever people say. The grass is greener on the what? In these setups, in these charts, this is the only place where you learn the hard way. That's not nothing. Oh, the grass is greener where you water it. Here you water it, and the grass doesn't turn green. It turns red. Once in a while, it turns blue. So when you are a beginner, oh, my brother, my sister, you guy, bro, I'm sympathizing with you, because the next 1 year is going to be crazy. The first 6 months are good for beginner. They might even make you a lot of money. It's called beginner luck, which is actually a thing. And then the moment you start to realize what you are doing on the markets, everything goes south. You end up finding yourself in an environment you can't explain. Your mindset will change. Your emotions will change. Just know everything will change. If you are in a relationship, you'll find out that relationship is not the best for you. You start to analyze your partner. You start to analyze your whole love thing. When it comes to relationship with people, you will start over-analyzing it, because now you're not seeing, you're not going to see things in an emotional way. This is where you start to realize nobody cares, no one cares. So just on a polite notice, if you are new in trading, just know things will change, man. You will turn to someone who is very different from now. Okay, whatever you are getting in the forex market is not the same individual who will make you money. Forex market turns people to something else. The market will turn you cold. They will break your heart. They will break your emotions. They will break your everything. They will break your will to live. Okay, so as a beginner, let me tell you, my friend, you will reach points in your emotional basket you never knew existed, man. You will be the level of breakage you thought was the most you can get broken. Now multiply it by 2. It will be worse than that. Markets are insane. Markets are crazy. Market is the only place where it makes you realize life is a different situation. This is by showing yourself who you are, and you find yourself reflecting on what you thought you knew, reflecting on your life, reflecting on your friends, reflecting on everyone around you, man. Okay, that's how crazy the markets are going to make you. The markets are going to push you to levels you never thought, man. Not physical, but mental. So be very careful. If you are a beginner, be very careful. The market doesn't care how strong you think you are. Bro, as a trader, you have to cry. You will cry once in a while, and that is if you are very strong. If you are not strong at all, oh my God, you will cry every moment of your training journey until you understand why you're crying. The market doesn't care if you cry or not. It will give you the same punishment again and again. The market doesn't care how much you cry. It only cares if you understand the mistake. the momentum. I like the momentum, man. I love the momentum. As you know, this is what we are waiting for. Chat to the world is so. Yeah, we want the bears to take control of BTC Euro because we are waiting for a long, and we are waiting for the market to retrace to our levels so that we can take that long. And also don't forget this new month that has begun 7 days ago or 6 days ago is a very different trading month. Okay, if you trade with the institutions, be very careful. The institutions are not on charts right now, so be very careful if you trade with the institutions. All right, if you trade with the institutions, if the setup works very well, be very careful because that shows institutions are the one in control. And if you trade with them, remember they are not in the market right now. So as a trader, be very careful when you're trading this July month and August, because you might end up losing a lot of money. Okay, you might end up losing a lot of money as a trader this month. Okay, so be very careful as a trader right now. Be cautious, okay, because this month has a different volume flow. I learned that the hard way, that is last year. I never understood what the market was doing because I didn't understand the quarters. I had to go and understand the quarters, and that's how I learned. This month you have to be very cautious. The volumes are very different. Everything is very different compared to the previous month, that is the May and June. Okay, so when you're trading, be very careful. Be very careful. So follow my guy and welcome to Chat's World. Whoever you are, welcome. Let's have a blast, man. Let's enjoy this trading stuff. Okay, let's enjoy. Yeah, let's enjoy this forex stuff, man. We are not in a hurry to take a setup. We are not in a hurry to take a setup. Remember, we are waiting for the market to open. That's the only thing we are waiting for. We are waiting for the market to open. We are not waiting for a lot, just the market to open. I say this is a game of waiting, understanding, and being aggressive when needed, not all the time. All right. So right now, as you can see, BTC Euro is coming back to our levels. It's coming back to our levels, which are very good. We are waiting for a long. This is the setup we're waiting for. As you can see, I don't scalp, I take swing trades. That's the weekly swings. Okay, that is weekly swings. Okay, this is the setup we're waiting for, and the market is behaving according to the way we want it to. All right, it's coming back to our levels, which is very beautiful, which is very good. Okay, gold, same case, but gold has changed the direction. Okay, so gold has changed. This is what I'm talking about. I wanted gold to break these previous resistance. Where is it? Yeah, trading view. What's happening with trading view? My YouTube stream is very smooth, but my kick stream is kinda sluggish. I don't know why, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You right with it. So that's way. There you go. I wanted the market to break these levels because as of the market closure, that is on Friday, the market closed around these areas, these highs, but the market has decided to come back to these levels and retest the level. So I go with the trend of the market. Even if I'm wrong, I'm not going to take a shot here. I only take what the market is showing me on a higher time frame. So I'll be waiting for a good long, very beautiful long here. But I will have to wait for the market to open. Wow! BTC is falling. So as I'm waiting for the market to open, I'll be understanding and studying other pairs. It's because why not? Why not? So BTC Euro is falling big time, but yeah, BTC Euro is falling big time. So, but to us it's not a scare because we already knew it was going to do that. We already knew it was going to do that, but we were waiting for it. So I know gold is going to respect these levels, because overall gold is bullish right now, unless it wants to go back and retest the weekly levels, which will be a little bit lower. It will be a little bit lower, which is not a bad thing, but we are going to take a good setup if it will present itself. So for now, we are just observing. Look at this, BTC is falling big time, big time, man. BTC is falling big time. Follow my guy. Let's have a blast when it comes to these streams, man. I'm very happy, man. I'm in these streams. I won't lie. I'm enjoying. I'm waiting for the market to open. Yeah, having a blast here. Enjoying that. We'll be observing them as an individual pair. Wow. This is a big fall, man. This is a big fall. 2.35%. This is the issue with BTC. When it decides to rally, it moves crazy. And it's not just BTC, but all cryptocurrencies, man. All cryptocurrencies. When they decide to rally, they move down big time. When they decide to move, they move mega pips. And this is where investors lose a lot of money, man. When it comes to crypto trading, if you're not careful, you can lose your whole investment within a single day. Because tell me why the market can drop roughly 2.42, that is of today, percent. That's a single drop. Okay, that's not something small. So if you had small investments in the account and you thought you were going to take a long, currently the account would have been wiped out. Okay, you have to have a very big account. Okay, same case, if it decides to give you money, if you are on the right direction, the money will come your way. Okay, because imagine floating on a profit of 2.50% as of now. Okay, a single day, man. In a single day, the market is moving 2.something% in a single day. Now imagine yourself in the right direction. Okay, you will be floating, man. You will be making money. You will be smiling big time. So it's a matter of understanding if you are right or wrong. At the same time, it's a matter of the market favoring you, because nobody knows if they are wrong or right in the market. Never be lied to that someone is sure about the market. And something that should have taught you nobody is sure about the market is the oil market. Okay, at the beginning of the war, everyone bought oil, but the amount of money we lost, my guy, I'm one of those people who bought oil. Somehow miraculously, after buying it, decided to dump, because the war started. Everyone placed their bias. Everyone thought because war boosts oil and because Iran is an oil producing country, the prices are going to rise. But on the first day they rose, so everyone expected the direction to continue. But somehow, I don't know what happened, somehow the market decided to sell. Let me tell you, my friend, we lost money, man. I was in a long, I was wiped out, and then the market continued to rally. The market decided to go my way after wicking me out with almost 100 pips or whatever pips they were, man. Oof, that was painful. That was painful. That was painful. So the market showed people that no matter how good you are at analyzing stuff, you can't be 100% sure. Same case to BTC. People thought by the end of this year, BTC was going to be up to $150,000. In a previous stream, I said BTC right now is down half of its value, man. Because at the beginning of the year, or at the beginning of the Trump government, BTC was around 100 and something thousand. Okay, $110,000. Okay, let's just assume $100. Right now, BTC it's around 60. If I'm not wrong, because I trade it on a BTC Euro, so the currency is Euro. But as you can see, in Euro it's 54,000. And if you bought at 100, because everyone said BTC was going to the moon, but the market showed us nobody is 100% of the market. So everyone who bought 100 at 100, they bought at its highest. So nobody can know the highest of something, because people thought the highest of BTC was going to up to 1,050. Some people say that BTC was going to end up in 1 million, man. Okay, and people bought aggressively. All right, but later BTC was like, my guy, you guy, it's time to take your money and leave. It exited the group and it's dropping. People are losing money. Sad story, but the market doesn't care. Remember what I've said? The market doesn't care how you feel, man. No matter who you are, the market doesn't care how much you cry, because losing that amount of money as an individual, bro, you're going to cry, right? But the market doesn't care. Does it? No, it doesn't. So BTC is down. As we're waiting for long, I said we can't be very sure. We just have to place our bet. Let's just say that. Place our bet on what we think is good, right? So I'm just here making and creating good vibes in the channel, which is a very beautiful thing. I'm enjoying online. I'm enjoying the live stream. To the fullest. So that's BTC for us. This single week might have made or broke our trader today. This just single week. Someone may be entered at this level expecting the market to continue tanking, but the market has decided to go back. Remember that's on an hourly basis. So this is US oil. This is the reason as to why I'm not trading oil. Look at this. Look at this. The market is just consolidating. These weeks are long, man. These are weeks that can sweep you with a move and then continue to your direction. There's nothing that breaks a trader like this. You rather lose, man. You better lose. Man. There's nothing that breaks a trader like this one. Getting wicked, man. Look at this. These long weeks are bad, man. It's better it's a losing trade, man. Look at this. Imagine the market wicking you and going back to your direction, man, and hitting your TP levels with your scalper. Look at this. Comes back, you think you can take that setup again. It wicks you and moves you. This thing breaks a trader too much, man. Too much. These weeks, These weeks are dangerous. That's one thing I know. These weeks are dangerous, man. Dangerous. They can ruin you as a trader, man. They can make you have nightmares, man. Because tell me why a pair is weakening and continuing in a direction. So this is why I'm not trading oil. The weeks are too big. The weeks are too big, man. Look at this. Look at these weeks. Look at this. These are weeks. We are talking about many pips. I don't want to measure them because when I start to measure them, I'll feel no. But look at this. Being wicked, man. You rather lose than get weak. So these are some of the things that we are learning in my trading session. Become a member, man, by joining our channel, man. It's on Kick and that's on YouTube. We're streaming every day. Yeah, this one can break you, man. It's US30. Oh, let's see. Remember, we are not trading US30. I said US30 is a very interesting thing to trade right now. It's not respecting a pair, although it's making investors a lot of money. Investors don't have stop losses. They just have money to buy the shares, man. They just have money to buy the index. So if it tanks, it tanks with them. If it rallies with them. So if a single share of Dow Jones is at 52,820 as of today, that's the selling price. The buying price is at 52,825. If they buy at 52 and it goes down at 42, they are down $10,000 and they will be in the market very well and very good. If it gains $10,000, they will be at 62. They'll be very, very good in the market and they won't get wicked out. Now the issue with us retail traders here, we don't have the capital, so we have to have stop losses. So stop losses are like airbags. They are airbags. When the market is not going your direction, they save you. As the airbags work in a vehicle. And when the vehicle is in the wrong direction, or when the vehicle is in an accident, when the vehicle has decided to go towards a cliff, the airbags are there to keep you safe and protect you. Same case to stop losses. They are there to keep your account safe and protect you from full load accounts. Okay, so that's what you should know. So when it comes to big sharks and those people who can afford these stocks, these are people with no airbags. They are just there. They know they are safe. They are in the bubble of safety. No matter how much they lose, they know they are going to enjoy the market. So we are just going to wait. You can see it's dropping. It came back to these levels. Buyers going to the market. I did not get to the market. We saw gbpjpy, our favorite guy today. We'll have to wait for it to come to these zones. So the analysis are taking a little bit of time, but I'll have to wait for it to come to these zones. Yeah, beautiful thing. Beautiful. We're enjoying this stream, man. We are enjoying this stream. eurusd, don't forget. We are on a loan, but just relax, wait for the market to open, man. Look at this coming back. I'm liking the consolidation. Consolidation is giving me a good positivity. It's showing me positivity, man. It shows that the buyers are holding the sellers, okay? Or the the other way around. If the market did not have even a little bit of consolidation here, that will show these levels have no bias, man. Okay, but as you can see, this is a show that buyers are in the market, and orders are being placed, or orders were pending in this level. So let's wait and see. Yeah. Welcome to Chat's World, man. Welcome to Chat's World, man. This will be the best trading area ever, man. Best trading channel ever, man. Just keep yourself informed. Yeah. Yeah, just know that. Just know that. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a parent. Tell a parent to tell a grandparent. Yeah. It's a Chat's World in. Chat's World in it. Yeah. Chat's World in it. So I'm enjoying the streams, man. I think I was in the wrong career, man. I was meant to be a presenter or something, because the level of enjoyment I'm having, I can't explain. I can't explain. Because tell me why I'm here talking to myself alone, and I'm enjoying it. I can't explain. So this is the beauty of doing something you love, man. You don't care if you're alone or you are with people. You just do it, enjoy it. You do it and enjoy it. Eesh, I'm enjoying it. I'm doing it, and I'm doing it. Yeah, I can't explain. Eesh, I'm having fun, guys. I'm having fun. Too much fun on the mic. Having too much fun on the mic, guys. Eesh, I'm enjoying trading. I love trading. I'm enjoying talking. I love trading. I love talking. So I'm talking about something I love. Just tell me the feeling, man. Just tell me the feeling, man. Talking about something you love, man. I can't explain. So follow my guy. Yeah. Yeah. Don't know why my kick stream is a little bit sluggish, but my YouTube stream is beautiful. But whatever, man. I can't explain. Just observing at the markets, man. Look at the charts; they're beautiful. This is what people call high highs, high low, high low, high low, because the market is on a bullish momentum. Okay, for me, I didn't trade high highs and high lows. I learned them when I was analyzing other traders' strategies. Okay, that's where I learned them. It is beautiful. I can't explain. So let's wait for the market to open and we'll make money, man. People from New York, how is Trump? Our African leaders are just traveling. They are in your countries. I don't know what you people give them. So, meanwhile, Trump doesn't visit Africa. Has Trump visited any African country? Just curious. Has Trump visited any African country? I don't think so. I think even the South African president just went to the US. When we had that movement of kick white farmers out, Trump called the South African president to the White House. I don't think he came to Africa. Has Trump visited any African country? I'll check. But surely, has Trump visited an African country? Yeah, so for now, let's wait, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. Yeah, I'm loving the bearish momentum on gold. Yeah. I can't explain. It has been long. I have listened to that song, man. There's a song by Wizkid, one of the greatest African musicians, man, from Nigeria. So let's enjoy the market. Let's wait for the market to open. So, as you already know, when the market opens, there were some behind the door deals that were being made during weekends. Okay? And they have to reflect on the charts when the market opened. And the biggest trading session is the New York session. So that's the session that makes a lot of impact when it comes to trading. New York session. Okay. I haven't seen that high of a volume when it came to Asian session. I haven't seen that high of a volume when it came to New York, that London session. So I'm expecting some volumes when it comes to New York session. They might come, they might not. They might come, they might not. Okay? But I'm expecting something because the way the market is quiet, look at that, everywhere is red. Meanwhile, my analysis is showing me that this is going to be a very good week. This is beautiful. So wait for it. So people who trade on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, let me tell you, this candlestick alone might have made them a lot of money. That candlestick alone might have made them a lot of money. Yeah. Now the issue with trading small time frames is when the market moves against you in just few pips, you are in massive drawdown, man. Massive drawdown, man. Massive drawdown. It's also you have to factor that. Yeah. You have to factor that. I want to know what is happening to this stream, man. This kick stream. There's nothing you can steal from here. I don't know what is happening, man. I'll figure it out after the session. For now, let's enjoy the trades. Now let's wait and see how it's going to behave within those zones. This one. Remember last week we made a lot of money with gold. We were blessed by gold. Last week we made a lot of money with gold, man. We were blessed with gold or by gold. Yeah, last week we made a lot of money. Yeah. So this week, let's see who will bless us. Yeah. Let's see who will bless us. So best trading channel in making, man. Biggest trading channel in creation, man. No lie. I ain't lying. Why stay idle whereas I can be creating the biggest trading channel, man? Why keep all this knowledge I have instead of sharing with you, my guys? Yeah, why? Why, man? You're the best. So we're waiting to see how the market will open. 1 hour towards the market open, man. Beautiful. The markets are calm. Oof. Gold is down 0.7%. Yeah, that's a good sign. BTC Euro at least it's gaining again. It's at 2.21. Previously it was down up to 2.50%. Yeah. Yeah. Always understand the markets and you will be happy at something is. You will always be happy, man, if you understand the markets, man. That's the thing where we are going wrong. We are not understanding the markets. We just want to make money from the markets. You can't make money from the markets if you're not understanding them. Always know that. Please don't buy these traders lifestyles. I didn't say they are not making the money. They might be making the money, but they are showing you only the good side. That's the cars, the houses, the good gadgets, the spending. But what they are not showing you is the grinding part, man. Traders don't sleep. Most people don't know that. Even your biggest forex traders don't sleep. Point number 2, they are very disciplined. Very disciplined. But you people assume they are not disciplined because of the way they talk. I said when you come to charts, the charts change. Okay? That's the way they talk is the impact of the charts. Okay? They don't sleep, man. They are waiting for setups, man. They are too disciplined, man. They must tell you. They might tell you they spend an hour in the market. For example, they'll come on a live stream and be there for an hour. Get out. They have already made the money, and you'll be like, "Oh, that's what I need to do, my brother." If you already knew behind the scenes how prepared they have to be, sometimes they have to choose the pairs that are aligning on what they want to do on a live stream. All right, so that they have to analyze pairs and pairs. Yeah, I'm telling you, trading is a very interesting game. So you might find they don't sleep. They give you good streams. They give you good pairs. They give you good interest, but you don't know how they have taken them. They sometimes they analyze pairs and discard which ones they don't want and give you the right one. So when it comes to trading, my brother, people are working, man. Because I said trading doesn't reward hard work. So the hard work has to be hidden, but it doesn't mean it's not there. The hard work is there. People hide the hard work, man. I won't lie to you, people hide the hard work. Okay. For example, when I was learning trading, I would spend almost 20 hours. Okay. I would sleep 4 hours, my guy. Okay. When I'm eating, I'm looking at the charts. I will spend so much time on this stuff. That doesn't mean right now I'm not spending so much stuff. I am spending a lot of time. So don't think because the market doesn't reward hard work, you should not work hard. You should work hard towards understanding the market. Yeah, then after understanding them, now this is where you are not working hard but enjoying the fruits of the working hard. And when you are working hard, understand where you're going wrong. So markets are very, very interesting, man. These charts, bro, it's a fight against yourself. For example, the stream is very nice. You might find the stream very interesting, but I did not just pop up on these charts and start streaming. Last night I had to spend time analyzing the markets. I had to spend time understanding where I almost went wrong last week. Then I have to prepare for the stream, all right, and then I have to come on to this stream. Yeah. Just wait for the New York session to open, man. Oh, that support was not able to hold the bears. I mean, the bears are breaking down. They're breaking our support. Ooh, Look at that. What? The market has decided to be aggressive, man. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Because we're waiting pace, man. So let's say your psychology was not that good and you decided to take that long because you saw I had placed a long. Now you will be in a drawdown. Okay? You'll be in a drawdown. And at the end of the day, you will end up complaining Chatsworld is not a good trader. Meanwhile, Chatsworld himself did not take that setup. So that's why you have to wait, man. Wait for a confirmation. Wait for a confirmation. Always wait for a confirmation. Okay? Young man, wait for a confirmation. Young lady, wait for a confirmation. You guy, my guy, wait for a confirmation anytime. This is the beauty of trading, man. Real-time answers to your questions if you are right. The biggest question in life is, am I right? When you invest in a business, am I right? But it will take time. When it comes to trading, you are right or wrong. The market won't give you so much time to know if you are wrong. It will be very fast to prove you right or wrong. So the market is bleeding, man. Bank accounts are bleeding. Investments are bleeding. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay. The support is holding. So let's see for how long it's going to hold. It's going to be overtaken or not. Let's wait and see. It's a game of observing and seeing. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. The buyers are taking control, man. Let's see if it's going to be for a long time or a very short time. Yeah, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I can't wait to have over 5k people watching, man. This will be the best moments. This will be the far of those moments when I have 5k people watching, man. Okay. Oh, bro. That's why you have to wait for a candlestick closure. Let's wait. Don't be in a rush. Let's wait. Always wait for the market to show you the direction. Okay? Always. Always wait for the market to show you the direction. Always. What's not happening to my kick stream? Yeah. So let's enjoy. Yeah, let's enjoy this trip. Ten more minutes to this 1 hour can't close. Yeah. I know the market open will be interesting, but don't forget, we are in a different month. There are a lot of factors to consider. Well, I say traders are not off the charts. Traders are just hunting. Okay. For me, I believe I'm a jaguar. I have to wait for the longest. There are people who are lions outside there. Those are traders. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, let's wait. Let's wait. I'm just checking on developing stories on Russia-Ukraine war, and this is very interesting. Today's major global headlines include a massive Russian air assault on Kyiv, killing 15 people, the beginning of funeral ceremonies in an Iran. Oh, so that's a different story. This is Ayatollah Khamenei. Khamenei is being buried today after being killed on a strike. That was the beginning of the Iranian war. So my most interesting thing was this Russian air assault on Kyiv, killing 15. This is interesting, man. Russia is pissed. Russia is pissed. Remember, Ukraine developed a new way of fighting. They are hitting back at Russians at their homes, man. They are hitting back at Russia. They have adopted a new way. If you hit my people, I hit your people. So the last time I checked, they had hit oil refinery. They had hit an oil refinery, and it was big, man. It was big. They blew even the lid off one of those oil holding tanks. You know, the big one. I don't know what they are called, but those ones. Zeros, if I'm not wrong. So even a lid out of that thing flew in the air because they hit a direct tank with oil. And I think Russia was like, oh my god, we have been hitting you slow, let's hit you big time. So they have killed 15 people in Kyiv, man. Remember, Kyiv is the capital city, man. And this is very interesting because Ukraine has one of an interceptor missile shortage. So if Russia understands this and no, Kyiv have no interceptor missile, so it's going to launch even bigger attacks. As of yesterday, I heard the two leaders had talked to Trump, but Trump had said previously that these two people hate each other, genuine. Okay, Trump did not think the hate is that personal. Okay, so we have that's the most developing story. We also have Middle East, the burial of Khamenei. Okay, I think it will be a 3-day burial. I thought Muslims were supposed to be buried the same day they die, and they should take a single day. Why? Okay, I don't want to get into the details. So you have to keep yourself updated on these things. You have to keep yourself updated on these things, man. What? There's a guy who was stuck for 32 hours. Ooh-wee. Oh. Right? The Australian Space Agency has found likely source of mystery spaceballs. Oh, a Delta plane hit by fireworks while landing in Chicago. Oh, they got it. I don't think it was tragic. Oh. Taylor and Travis wedding. Okay. So I think there is a summit this week. Oh, yeah, we have the NATO summit. We have the NATO summit this week. Yep, in Turkey. Ankara, Turkey. Ankara. Okay, I like the closure of the candlestick. So this is a sign of the support is holding. So this is one. I think the 4 candlestick has also closed. Let's look. Bro, time is flying when I'm doing something I love, man. Just do this stuff and no, it has not closed yet. 59 more minutes towards its closure. Man, I just joined this thing and now it's gone. And now it's gone, man. Bro, I just joined, man. Relax, man. I thought I was having a good time. Why are you hurrying? You don't want me to enjoy stream? I just joined, man. 1 hour is gone. And now something is gone. Now 45 minutes, man. I'm enjoying this thing. I'm not even noticing it, the time flying. I will lie. I ain't even noticing the time, man. Yeah, but the candlestick has closed. The hourly candlestick has closed, which is a good sign. So, as I was saying, there's a NATO summit. Let's look at it. Why not? First of all, let me check something. I see there's a lot of planning that goes on this live stream. That's why they are so entertaining and so good. At the end of the day, we don't plan everything. We plan the basics. We plan the basics. We plan the basics. Yeah. We plan the basics. Yep. Let's wait and see. 27 more minutes toward the New York Open. Yeah. So I was talking about this NATO summit, but let's look at NATO. So these are the ones who decide. I thought these people had another summit. Yeah, there was I think there was a little summit this year. Okay. Defense spending pledges face the tough test. So, who are the 32 members of NATO? The current 32 countries are currently 32 countries are members of NATO. You can see them. You don't have time for that. Okay. Let's see the purpose of this thing known as NATO, man. We need to understand some things. So, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization is a political and military alliance of 32 independent member countries for the North American and Europe. Okay. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So, North American and Europe. Fundamental purpose is to safeguard the freedom and security of its members through political and military means. Okay, that's why they give a war green light. Okay, I understand now. Yes, so you have heard the purpose of NATO. So they will have a summit. You can see. They have a summit, man. They will have a summit. The NATO summit in Turkey will likely move the debate from budgetary pledges to implementation. Last year's summit in Hague. Oh, NATO was last year. What was okay? These summits are too many. Last year's summit at The Hague was seen as a breakthrough after allies committed to spending 5% of GDP on the defense by 2035. This is really the NATO summit where NATO goes from burden sharing to burden shifting. No, we don't know. We don't know what they are going to talk about, so let's not assume. So you can see that's it when it comes to NATO. So currently we are having fun. So you can see gold is trying to hold. The support is becoming a little bit supportive. The support is supporting, but we will have to wait. We will have to wait 23 more minutes. 23 more minutes. The market open, man. Yeah. I don't understand why my kick is so slow. I don't understand. I don't understand, man. Why are you so slow? Why are you so slow? Now it's offline. What? What is not going on? What's not going on, man? what's not going on. Check it. So don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. We will check it. Yes, maybe it's the time they're giving me to stream. I have realized kick streams just come to a random end. Cool, when you're done. But I will keep streaming on YouTube for the next, let's say, 1 hour or 2, depending on how we feel it. I won't lie. And now I'm feeling like streaming forever, man. Yeah, let's stream, man. Let's stream. It's so fun. Let's make money together on the stream. Okay. No worry. No worry, we figured it out. We will figure it out. This is the beauty of doing something you love. You don't care. You just figure it out. You just figure it out. Yeah. I just figure it out. Because why not? Why not? So, I'm creating one of the biggest trading channels. Be a member, subscribe, follow. Yeah. Subscribe, follow. Yeah. Subscribe, follow. We're just observing the charts. We have a few more minutes, like 19 more minutes. Like 19 more minutes toward the New York session open. Yeah, it will be good. It will be beautiful. Let's see how the markets will open. Can't wait for you guys to join the live streams, man, and we will have fun together. We'll have fun together. We'll enjoy it together. Yeah. We'll have fun together. Yeah, for now, let me have fun alone, man. I know I'll miss these days, man. I'll miss these days. I will miss these days. When that time comes, when I will be big, more subscribers. I will have to answer comments, I will have to answer for scandals, I will have to answer for rumors, I'll have to answer for everything. I don't know what is happening, but somehow it's my fault. So, as I'm saying, always enjoy the little moments, man. Enjoy the little moments. So, ooh-wee. It's beautiful, man. Yeah. Put 17 more minutes. 17 more minutes. What are you trading today, and what your take on the market today? Don't trade something because I'm trading. Trade something because you trade. Okay. Be an independent forex trader. That's one thing I teach. Yeah, no matter how bad or no matter how you suck, be an independent trader, because you can trust a big forex trader and they fail you. Or remember, everyone has a losing streak. Everyone has a losing streak. Never forget that. Every trader has a losing streak. So you might put your trust on them and meet them during their losing streak. What do you think will happen to you? You will lose your man. You will lose it. You lose, bye. You can't go on. Kaput. Kablooey. Okay? You might believe in them and put a big lot size. Yeah. You might pin your hopes on them. And what happened? Kablooey. So you have to be very keen. Be your own trader. Be an independent trader. Don't trade things because you're big. Traders are doing it. Your famous traders are doing it. The fact that they are famous doesn't mean they know everything about the market. Actually, you might be right. They might be wrong. And you end up blaming yourself for the money that you lost. So never trust anyone that you trust yourself. Never trust anyone that you trust yourself. Anybody. First of all, trust yourself. Then the rest will follow. Even in life. Don't ask anyone for advice. Sometimes people give advice that they can't use. Or they sometimes give advice that is favoring them. Okay? So always be your own brain, be your own mind. Understand the markets. Trade whatever your pair works with. Because if you look at me, I trade whatever my pair works with. Not whatever most people like. Yeah. That's why I'm enjoying it, because I already know it's my own mind. It's my own analysis, right? So if I go wrong on a personal level. An individual, I won't blame anyone. For example, if you see this analysis and they say I should take a long, for you, your analysis said you should take a short, right? You abandon your short analysis because you have seen I'm trading along. What will happen to you if the market I had analyzed was wrong, or the way I had analyzed was wrong? You end up blowing money. Meanwhile, your analysis is making money. Okay? Use your big traders to learn something. Then after learning, be an independent trader. Just enjoy their content and be an independent trader. That's all I'd say. 2 hours in it. 2 hours in it. 2 hours in the stream. Yes, so 2 hours. Hi. Again. 2 hours. Yeah. Yeah, 2 hours. Let's enjoy the stream. So we have 13 more minutes. 13 more minutes. 13 more minutes. Yeah. 13 more minutes. We will enjoy these streams together. I won't lie to you. We will enjoy them together. We live trade together, man. Live trading sessions. Most traders don't like live trading sessions because if you make a mistake, there is no editing. People will see a mistake. Me, I enjoy mistakes. I learn from them. That's why I want to do them in real time. Yo, enjoying it. Look at this. Look at BTCU. Ooh, what? Bro, it's coming to our entries, man. I know it's at the expense of other traders, but it's coming to our entry, man. It's coming for us. It's coming for us, man. But that drop is made. If anyone caught that shot, if any trader caught that shot, bro, the week is already blessed. Please, if you got that shot, don't stay in the market. Don't stay in the market, please. If you are able to catch this shot, don't stay in the market. After you hit your TP levels, just leave. For the day, okay, just leave. Come back tomorrow, maybe. Abibi, leave. Abibi, don't stay. Because the market will end up getting your money. Alright? So, and if this shot got you, you are in the opposite direction. My guy, don't, please, I repeat, don't try to recover the money. Leave it to become tomorrow on the charts where you are not emotional, man. Please don't become too much emotional. I think you can recover it. You won't recover it. You'll end up losing more money. Please go have fun outside. Go know your neighbors. Go know your neighborhood. Go know whatever you have to know, man. But know the charts. Okay? Because you are emotional. If you win, you become overconfident. If you lose, you want to recover. So that's a very emotional situation for a trader. Avoid emotional situations if you are a trader. If you are a trader, avoid situations that are making you emotional. That might be a big win or a big lose. So avoid. So it's coming to our levels. For us, it's a win. It's coming to our levels, man. Let's wait. Oh well. What else? Oh, eurusd. How is it behaving? Oh, I'm loving this. But wait for the session to open. 9 more minutes. Okay. GBP. Wait for the markets. Wait, please wait. Let me change my phone first of all. I joke a lot because I'm used to being offline, man. I enjoy being offline. So my battery is at 7%. Yeah. Wait. Let's wait for the market. Where you wait for the markets. Wherever you are, wait for the markets. Yeah, wait for the market. So we are looking at this gold situation. We want to see how the market is going to open. So 8 more minutes. Yo, 3 more minutes, the market open. 3 more minutes, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, the market open. To the market open, 3 more minutes. Yeah. Can't wait to see which direction the market is going to take, man. Can't wait to see. Yeah, can't wait to see which direction the market is going. So we might have pressure, we might lack pressure. Yeah, we might have pressure, we might lack pressure. This is the beauty of the market. The fact that nobody knows. Yeah, the fact that nobody knows. Nobody knows if you are right until the market tells you. Nobody knows if there will be volumes or when the volumes are going to be there. Sometimes I have seen market open that are very dry. Meanwhile, some days I have seen market open that are very, very flooded. Yeah. So let's wait. Let's enjoy. Yeah, let's enjoy. So 2 more minutes in it. 2 more minutes in it. Two more minutes. Because why not? Wait. It has been a very, very beautiful interactive 2 hours. I'll be coming here talking, blabbering, jibber and stuff, having fun. I won't just be quiet on live streams. I will be here to talk. If you are there, you are not. I'll be there to talk. I'll be enjoying myself every day. Yes, sir. As I make my money, as I print my dollars. My dollars. Yeah. One more minute to New York open. 1 more minute to New York open. Arrow. It's a beautiful market, man. It's a beautiful market. Let's wait and see this beautiful market open. Well, officially the New York session is open. Yeah. Yeah, officially the New York session is open. Officially the New York session is open. Okay. A little bit quiet. That's not bad. Where be the volumes? All right. Yeah, we are waiting. The market seems quiet. So you already know what we are waiting in the markets. That's a long on gold. That's a long on BTC. That's a long on Great Britain pound GBP, and a long on euro. So you already know you're waiting for. So you should not be worried about that. In case I go off stream, you already have the setups. If you believe you can take the trades yourself, copy mine, my guy. It's never that serious, man. It's never that serious. Just copy mine, and we will enjoy the markets together. Copy mine, man. Okay, the market open is so quiet, man. Never expected that. Maybe the orders will come late, man. Maybe in an hour's time or 30 minutes time. Yeah. So overall, the New York session is open, which is the best thing, which is the greatest thing to know. The New York session is open. Yeah, it's open, guys. It's open. Yes, so let's capitalize on it. If you see a setup that is very valuable to a trading strategy, take it. Take it. For those new to the trading industry, welcome. It's not going to be an easy industry, but overall, welcome. Welcome to trading. This is the hardest thing you ever do in your life, but welcome. It will also be the best thing to ever happen to your life. And I'm not talking about financial wise. No. I ain't talking about financial wise. No. In other ways, you'll understand when that time comes. Before you take this long, wait for the 4-hour candle closure. Please, it's around 20 something minutes before, 26 minutes to be precise, before the 4-hour candle closure. Let's look. Please wait for the candle closure. Stop assuming that it is going to close bullish. Okay. Wait for it. 24 minutes. Just wait for 20 more minutes, man, and you can take it or not. But wait for the market to open, give it a little bit of time, then after that you can execute your trade. Okay. But who am I to give you advice? Don't listen. Please don't listen. Because as I said, let nobody give you any advice. Give yourself advice. Do whatever you feel is nice. Do whatever makes you happy. Yes. So if you feel like waiting for that 4 candlestick is a lot of time for you, don't wait. Execute, my guy. Please. And we meet tomorrow. And you tell us how the trade went. If it went your way, it's a win. If it did not go your way, it's a win. You have learned something. There's no losses in trying something or doing something. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Don't wait for the candlestick to close. Please. If you feel it's a lot of time, and if you feel this is not how you trade, don't listen to anyone. That includes me. Yes, I know exemption. So be your own trader, be your own man. Be your own woman, be your own guy. Okay, guys? Yeah. You're the friends of Chatsworld. Welcome. The family of Chatsworld. This is a community of traders where we're enjoying life, man. We have been enjoying this stream for 2 hours, 21 minutes. We have been waiting for the New York session to open. I almost say the London session. We have waited for it and finally it's here. We are going to wait and see how it's going to present itself, man. So we have to wait for the market to unfold. We have to wait for the market to give us a direction, trajectory. This is the beauty of trading. Yeah, that's all it is. Brothers, I'm enjoying this. You have no idea. You're missing out, man. You let me have fun with life. So 22 more minutes. Yeah. Look at the drop in BTC, man. The drop is mega, man. Look at the oil access is holding. I thought it was dropping. But right now, I think the war is over. But Iran has to show victory, man. Victory has to be shown to Iran, man. Because if they don't show a victory, I don't think they'll be the superpowers of the Middle East again. Remember, those guys were the biggest thing in Middle East, man. Yeah. Iran was the big dog. So the big dog policies have to be maintained. The big dog legacy has to be maintained. Even if they were whooped, they have to be made winners. I think the US is losing on design. So the policies are already there. They have already been passed. The US is enjoying the benefits, but they can't tell you that. So overall, oil is holding well. Oil is holding. Yeah. Wallah. Hiya, Maria. How do they speak in Iran? Yes, sir. I love those guys. They are good people. Good vibes. So, they're very generous. They're very religious. And at the end of the day, very courageous and brave, man. You'll never find anyone brave as those Iranian guys, man. Yeah. They're true people when they are on your side. But they are your worst nightmare when they are against you. So, it's a win-win situation. Otherwise, we're just waiting for the market. What else can we do? So, when it comes to oil holding, USD has gained bull momentum a little bit. GBP, okay. Euro USD, okay. So let's wait and see. When it comes to the market, never be in a rush. Risk, enjoy, and execute. Yeah. I won't be that formal in the streams, man. Right now, you must have fun, man. And you can't be in fun environment if you're too formal. Yeah. Sometimes I'll scream. Sometimes I'll laugh. Sometimes I'll just sometimes I'll need to enjoying the markets, man, and everything. Yes, sir. Let's wait for the market to open. How are you seeing yourself this week? Do you think you will make money or not? Are you going to make money or is it a story? Those South African guys who say, are you making money or it's a long story? I think they are the twins, man. The trading twins. Good people. Their content, good content. So how is South Africa going after chasing your fellow African, what do you call them? Fellow African brothers and sisters? How is the economy? I hope you'll be able to hold it, man. Please don't chase them and let their businesses collapse. Take over, make money, and make sure that the economy is growing, because what will be the purpose of chasing them if you earn nothing? The country earns nothing, individually you earn nothing, and you continue living in poverty. Okay, it has already happened. It has happened. It's not a good thing, but it has happened. What will we do? Nothing. Accept it and be okay with it. Our South African brothers, let's hope things are going to change, because I don't think anyone from an African country can go and invest in South Africa right now. No. I don't think anyone who wants to do a long-term investment will invest in South Africa. South Africa, my blood. I don't know if anyone will go to invest in those areas if they have long-term policies. That's companies, that's real estate, and that's investment physically, maybe land and livestock and stuff. So let's hope the citizens of South Africa will be able to invest in the country themselves, because that was a big blow when it comes to investment sector. So overall, our people are home and they are licking their wounds, man. They'll bounce back and stuff. 16 more minutes to the 4-hour candlestick closure. Interactive section, man. The markets are very interesting places. You don't know when the volumes are going to come. That's when you just set up, place it, and leave the market. Wait for the volumes to come. Maybe they will come, maybe they won't. And if they come and favor you, that's a win. If they come and go against Mayo, you just scream and come back tomorrow. So this is the interesting factor. You might find a lot of traders are on TradingView right now, but no executions on the market until the confirmation is made. Okay, I say this is a hunting game. Yo, the market is the prey, or you are the prey. So you have to understand who is hunting who. Are you being hunted or are you hunting? So if you show your head oftenly, if you show your hand very early, you are being hunted. Okay, the hunters are waiting. So remember, this is not a family business where we come to understand each other. It's a family business where everyone wants to make their money and run. Telling you, if you are new in trading, you have no idea what you have just got into. Oh, I can't wait. You can understand why most forex traders don't have those Lamborghinis and those Mercedes. Yeah. No. In your head already you are making plans of how you're going to show up on a showroom. Order 3 cars. No. Like it's cups of coffee. In your head you're already in that bungalow. You're already using the latest iPhone. You know, you're already quitting your job in your head because you're going to make more money than the company that has employed you combined. Oh God, how mercy you do, because good old days, man. Also, I was the same case when I was joining the trading industry. I already made plans for that year, make a lot of money, retire everyone around me. Why have I remembered this? I'm laughing, man. So, in my head, I was successful. In my head, I had a private car at the end of the year. Get a lot of capital, invest, and just trade. Flip the accounts from $2, to $1,000 in a week. From there, take a weekly trade of 2,000 daily. That's 10,000 the next week. Oh God! So I had this airtight plan of 6 months on how I was going to be successful, rich, and young. I can't wait. First year came to an end. The only thing I had to call it was madness, man. I almost screamed at everything. I was angry at everyone. The market was whooping me left, right, and center. I had no mentor. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful failure. I had a plan to be rich by the end of the year. The end of the year was nowhere to be seen. It was out of the window, man. It jumped 24 floors to the ground and landed, dismantled mercilessly, man. I broke into pieces. The only thing I was left with is how to survive. Interesting stuff. Can't wait. So, the new trader. I know you already have the plans. They won't work. I have to be realistic with you people. The plans won't work. You just got into trading 2 months ago and you're in profits. You're already starting to calculate how those people that have been trading for 5 years are not successful. Can't wait for those lucky months to get one end. So you get yourself into a panic mode. That was beautiful. Same case applies to you. You're already planning to quit. You're already planning to be the good kid, You want to retire your parent with the first 6 months of trade. Ha! Trump is waiting for you. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be a testimony. If you joke, you might end up selling everything you own. Why have I remember this, man? It's so fucking stupid. What the heck? I came into trading full of joy. The dreams. The dreams were no longer there. The joy was no longer there. I had to find it on my own. Outside the charts, man. Trading will wipe that big smile on your face, man. You'll take it instantly. This is to new traders. Alright? Welcome. That dream of yours is still valid. So, anyone who relates with the situation, comment. It was beautiful. I saw people like Alex J. Kojo. Who else? V-Dollar. I saw those people were balling. And I was like, very soon. My friends, right now, what I can say, thank God I'm alive. Is that the skill? We got the skill. But nobody prepared us for the journey, man. We got to the destination, but nobody prepared us for the road. Yeah. We were able to swim right away on the shores, but nobody prepares you for the tides, man. Nobody prepared me for the tides in the market. Not even if you have the greatest mentor in the world. After he or she leaves, that's when you realize you never learned anything. You're planning on a bar, you join a live stream, and you meet chats while they sell. They start to doubt everything. You end up selling like Chatswell, and you make profit for a day. The next day, you have forgotten about your mentor's teachings. Now you have a new mentor known as Chatswell. He goes offline for a week. So you are making losses again because you are doubting your mentor's strategy. Oh God. So the knowledge was, let me say, I learned. But the journey, my God, it was not an easy journey. For you, maybe it might be easy. Yeah, I came here thinking I was the lucky one. Everyone thinks they're the luckiest people in the world. Everyone is not lucky. You're the exceptional one. You'll be profitable in 6 months with your $2 account. You think we are the special. You think we are the best in the world. It doesn't work for everyone except us. Everyone is full. When you get to the market, you're told 90% of the traders fail, and you're like, I'm the 10%. Everyone thinks they are the 10%. We are not special, my guy. So you learn it the hard way, and until you drop that idea of you're the special one, you're exemptional, you're the best. God loves you big time. He'll be exemptional and soft on you. When every trader is falling, magically you'll be the best one. Hey, unless you drop that thing, bro, trading will be hard for you. Come here knowing you're not special. Come here knowing your money will go. Come here knowing you are going to blow account. Come here knowing you are to cry. Yeah. And you have to be adjustable. Come here and adjust to trading. I don't take anything seriously and personal, man. You lose sleep. You lose your mind. You go crazy. After blowing account, make it a normal day, smile and leave. Don't worry. Don't worry, okay? That's the life of a trader, man. We are cruising well. 3 more minutes. The closure of 4 candlestick. Yeah, we enjoy. We are we're cruising at a speed that is very moderated now. Shush. How's your day as a trader? Yes, sir. My time is a little bit behind compared to the capital.com time. You can see my clock it's 2 minutes and some few seconds. When it comes to capital o'clock, they are less than a minute towards the closure of the candlestick. That's how they are now on the 4 candlesticks. So this is where we wait. Let's wait for the markets. That's why I always say wait for the candlestick closure. Look at this. This candlestick has changed in the past 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. Look at this. Now this candlestick is not giving bullish momentum. It's giving bears are in control. It's a change over a minute, man. A minute has changed the candlestick. Okay, so if you wanted to take the trade, you will have waited for the candlestick, and if you did not wait, you are risking, man. Maybe you're trading in a lower time frame, which will be okay. But if you're trading in a 1 hour time frame, my guy, you guy, please wait for the candlestick to close. And it has closed. We have a new candlestick. Let's look at the 4 candlestick and see how it has closed, man. Now it's time for the market to go crazy. I like the 4 closure. It's a little bit undecisive. It's a little bit undecisive, but it has closed reddish, but on our support area, which is not a bad thing. So let's observe, let's wait and see. Sit on your arm, my guy. Your account is safe, man. But if you want to make money that you use today, I don't think you're in the right area. Yeah, we make money to use tomorrow or the next day, not today. Because we already know if we come here with that pressure of we need money, we might end up making missteps and missteps. And to avoid that, we come here with no need of making instant money. Okay, liking the movement. Yeah. No buyers are getting into the market right now. It's going to be aggressive. Remember, the overall trend of the market is bullish. The overall trend of the market is bullish. So I know if the overall trend of the market is bullish, okay, we just need a little bullish confirmation and traders will be in the market. You can see the volumes are I'm getting tempted to get into the setup now, but I'm not. There's some things I will have to wait before taking a setup. Yes, so the market is tempting. Don't lie. Oh bro, it has been that zone for a while, so the market is calling, man. So before that, let's go and look at something. Let's go at the calendar. So this thing stopped streaming. To it offline. It's okay. We'll figure it out. What's happening? So today is Monday. The only serious thing that was here was the ISM. Don't know what that is, man. Allah. ISM. I think I should get into one of these challenges, man. Find the right challenge, view performs, find that. I should get one of this, man. And I would ace it. I know. Now, you know it's serious when Forex Factory is giving geopolitical news. These are the things that are controlling the market, okay? Israeli forces triggered explosions in southern Lebanon over state media report. Which states? Lebanese or Israeli? Okay. I know this news will come back to being strong when Wash is well footed in the Federal Reserve, because he's the current Federal Reserve chair. He's a good representative of Trump. I'm looking at this. Let's see. eurusd. Okay. gbpjpy. UJ lost me money way back, man. I don't like it. UJ at GJ. I don't like trading. USD CHF. These things are very nice. They're very nice, very nice. But the issue is, I have a broker who has very crazy spreads when it comes to these pairs that are not well traded. For example, I can't try, at least the ones with the USD, they are at least, but I can't try this one. I can't try this one because I know the spreads I will meet in those trades, they are crazy, man. Okay. Yeah. So as I was saying, the market is tempting. The markets are calling, but I can't because my confirmation is not here. Okay. Today I might not take a trade, I will lie to you. Today I might not take a trade. I will lie to you. Shoot. I go to my personal account and look at 5 minutes when it comes to gold. Oof. Yes, that is drop. Yes, that is drop. But it has come back to our entry area. I think it has come to retest the zone, which is a good sign. So let's go to gold. 5 minutes. The thing is just range. add a little bit of changes of this or this, which is good. So let's wait and see. gbpjpy. I'm looking on my personal account, my personal analysis that I don't show here. That's why I say there's a lot of planning that goes behind the curtains. It's the thing you see. There are the preparations that I make for you. Alright. Because I have to sometimes I have to safeguard my trading strategy. Yeah, because it's something I've created. So you should not leak it outside here overall. I'll just give you setups. For example, when I tell you confirmations, I don't tell you what I'm confirming. Yeah, that's by design. Maybe one day I will sleep and tell you. Maybe I'll decide to teach the strategy. Yeah. Look at this. The market was tempting me to get into this long. But you can see the bears are trying to take control of this support. They want to break this support. The support was trying to hold. But let's see. So I said, wait for the fall. No, those individuals who took their own advices and got into the setup, they're in drawdown. I didn't see they're wrong. They might be right, but currently they are in drawdowns. Yeah, let's have fun, man. Let's have fun. Da, da, da. I'm thinking about ending the live stream. Thinking about it. I am thinking about it. Because that would be a very good 3 hours, man, and a very good productive 3 hours. Jokes were made. Ribs were cracked. I turned to a comedian here. Setups were waited for. Setups were not executed. This is the beauty of trading. The fact that you come to the charts doesn't mean you have to take a setup, right? Is what I'm trying to get out there. Not every time you have to be active on the market. Sometimes you have to let the market be and relax and let it slide. So overall, I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying. Okay, well, let's have fun. Yeah. I haven't ever ever streamed. I haven't ever streamed for that long when I'm talking. I just talk for the first few minutes. If later I stream, then I go. Actually, the funniest bit, I'm not looking at it. I'm just enjoying myself. Whatever happens, whatever comes. So that's what I'm talking about. I'm thinking about to be starting this live streams at Londonsession. So, but that's a thing I will do when the channel is big enough. Yeah. Five more minutes to 3 hours stream coming to an end, man. So be careful when trading this week. We have the NATO summit. Don't forget the volumes are different right now. Okay? Be very careful when trading, man. Free advice. I think I found my new sitting location when I'm streaming. This is best. This is the best. Lampas everything. I found my new streaming area. Yeah. Waiting for the 3 minutes. We can end the stream at 3 hours exactly. 3 hours exactly. We can end it 3 hours exactly. So it has been a fun interactive live session. Fun interactive live session. It has been. Sometimes I wish I knew I was going to end up as a stream, but life has a weird way of changing things. Life has a weird way of changing things. Thought I was going to be a businessman. Yeah, I am right now talking and enjoying it more than business. Who knew? If I knew, I would have started early, but I'm not late. I'm in the perfect time. Yeah. Let's have a grateful trading week. Let's have a grateful trading week. Yeah. Okay, I can see the support is working. The support on gold is working. BTC is trying to bounce back. Oil is dropping. Oh, USD is dropping. USD is dropping. What on black magic has just happened on USD? This is why I'm not trading USD anymore. Imagine taking along here. At least, maybe. At least it would have hit your TP. So imagine taking it after this drop, thinking it's going back to recover and feel this drop. And it moves. This is insane. This thing is insane. USD is on steroids. It has insane, magically strong movements. and it has broken the structure. So you have to wait for a new structure and a new level to be respected. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. US30 is on steroids, man. Yes, sir. 3 hours talking stream. Congratulations, myself. Congratulations to me. Yes, sir. And with that, we wrap up the live stream. Let's meet on tomorrow on the other side as we decide if we are going to take the setup. So if I find good entries, I will take the setups. I will lie. I will take the setups. If I find good entry, I find the setups. I will get into the setups. Okay, but if I don't get good entries, I will take the setup. So I won't give you an update. So I won't give you an update, but I'll take the maybe asiasession. That if I feel like I can drop a video on TikTok, but already I have a video on TikTok which does not include my entry. Okay, this is why I'll be streaming for the longest in these areas, because you people can't be missing out on these entries, but you already know the direction of the market and what we are trying to look at. Yes, so here we out. We are